Welcome to the North America Logistics Campus, Memphis. Our facility will have a unique service not offered by any other Nike Logistics Center. Not only will we have 3 product lines under one roof, footwear, apparel, and equipment, we will serve the full range of Nike customers, wholesale, retail, and digital. The current building includes receiving. Trucks will make deliveries to the receiving docks, which span to the end of the next building. These buildings mirror each other and were designed for optimization on our busiest day. Now, on an average day, certain sides of receiving can be shut down for maintenance. NALC Memphis Receiving will be able to handle nearly 4 times the number of cartons handled each day by the existing Northridge facility. It will have 96 diverts, 96 palletizing stations, and 6 traversing telescopic booms, which will each traverse between 3 unload doors. To maximize efficiency, the booms will go out into the trailer and follow team members as they unload the truck. Once the shipments are unloaded, the cartons will merge on the conveyor to be scanned and go through the weight check scale. Each carton will be assigned to spurs along the line through conveyors. There will be 1 SKU, or stock keeping unit, per lane. When the button on a lane turns green, the operator will move the cartons on the lane onto a pallet. The full pallet will then go to pallet storage. If you look up along the wall, you'll see the Nike Superhighway, which runs along the spine of the facility. The Nike Superhighway is a half-mile from end to end and runs about 40 feet high. To get boxes through the building quickly, there are 3 levels of conveyor, which connect to the Nike Superhighway. In the receiving area are stairs leading to the product integrity area. This is where random product is taken for intense scrutiny and then either rejected or accepted and put back into the system. As we walk under the Nike Superhighway, we enter another building. This area is where sports balls will be inflated before being shipped out and where non-conveyable items such as bats and weight belts will be held. The area will also have a caged, high-sensitive area with brand initiative and high-value goods. Across the room, there will be a 3-level PIC Module, which will house all the equipment SKUs and our footwear and apparel always available or high-demand product that is offered throughout the year. A conveyor will go through the PIC Module, which will allow team members to fill a tote or pick and pass a carton through the different product zones of the mezzanine. Totes will be used when the product collected will go to multiple destinations. These items will first go to the buffer and then on to unit sorters before being packed into cartons and moving on to the shipping area. Next, we go to carton storage and retrieval, which can hold 450 to 500,000 cartons that will be pulled and put on a conveyor and transported via the Nike Superhighway to their destinations. We built NALC Memphis with a courtyard concept in mind. This innovative design allows team members to look through these windows and connect with other people and other parts of the facility. Outside, you can see the preparation for the last portion of the NALC Memphis build-out, which will include offices along with a cafeteria and multi-purpose room. Directly ahead is the heartbeat of NALC Memphis. Level 1 will house the new sorters. With 531 chutes, 2 induction areas, and 2 virtual sorters, the apparel sorter can handle up to 1,000 cartons at a time. There is also the mixed or W sorter, which will have 540 chutes, 2 induction areas, and 2 virtual sorters. The W sorter diverts apparel, footwear, and sortable equipment like socks and gloves to the left or right so that lighter items won't be crushed by heavier items. On the second floor, there will be a buffer on the far end, which will have 186 lanes and 5.5 miles of conveyor. The buffer is basically a traffic manager. It allows product to be staged until a wave or group of orders has all the products it needs so that cartons will flow to shipping in a predictable manner. In the middle of the floor will be a value-added service, or VAS area. VAS is anything from hangars to ticketing. VAS will have 450 stations along with 10 hangar seating stations and 4 miles of conveyor. Directly ahead will be the Carton Sealing, print, and apply area. This area will have a labeling system that is much faster and more accurate than applying labels by hand. There will be 6 print and apply lines, 10 case sealing lines, and 1 mile of conveyor. Once the carton is sealed and labeled, it will be put on the Nike Superhighway to go to the shipping docks. We are now entering the original facility with pallet storage and retrieval, where shaving will occur. Shaving is when a carton is taken off a pallet. There are 2 shave towers, which will have 3 levels for shaving and will be incorporated into the new system with a conveyor that connects to the Nike Superhighway. Through the door is 30-foot racking, which will be the stock location where team members can take individual product from a case to support sorter needs. There are 125,000 order picker locations where powered motor vehicles are used to retrieve product. The far end will be retrofitted into a rack-supported mezzanine unit pick area. Each floor of this 3-story mezzanine will be for non-always available product or seasonal fast-moving products. Every SKU will have a specific location for easy picking during the season. This area will have 1.2 miles of conveyor and 83,000 pick cart locations. Ahead is the footwear sorter, which will be retrofitted by taking the induction points from manual to automatic. The footwear sorter is a big piece to overall production flow of the facility, so it must be optimally designed to hit our busiest day. Now we are entering the shipping area, which will have 73 doors. There will be 29 fluid load lanes where cartons will be loaded straight onto the truck. Like receiving, the shipping lanes will be equipped with booms that will move with the team member loading the truck. There will also be 26 pallet lanes where pallets can be staged and loaded onto the truck. When NALC Memphis is complete, the throughput will expand from around 230,000 units a day to well over 1 million units a day. Thank you for visiting our 2.8 million square foot facility. We look forward to being the first Nike logistics center to ship consolidated shipments for all product lines reaching the full range of Nike customers.